She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey beautiful people, my name is Jalen, also known as NaturalReign, and I would love it if you would go down there and subscribe down below and click on that notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. I'm trying to be pretty consistent. So today, this is pretty much as close as it's gonna get to me actually having straight hair until I'm like waist length. So just go ahead and soak it up. But I really like how voluminous my curls are. Like, ooh, who do I think I am? The curls is juicy and voluminous, and yes, and they're wand curls. So if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching.
What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Back it up, back it up, back it up, back like you owe your tax. Back like you owe your tax. Back it up, 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 back it up. Like you owe your tax. Owe me back 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 like you owe your tax. Back it up. Just to back it up, back it up, back it up, just to back it, back like you owe your tax. Owe me 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 back like you owe your tax. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back like you owe your tax. Back like you owe your tax. Back it up, 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 back it up.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Back it up, back it up, back it up.